Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, front suspension classification, solid live axle. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.